For 2 years, every homeowner has been trapped by golden handcuffs. You've got that sweet 3% mortgage, but you can't move. You want to sell, but where would you go? Buying meant facing a terrifying 7% interest rate. Well, the cuffs are getting loose. Here's the data. As of this week, the 30-year fixed rate is holding steady at 6.27%. No, it's not 3%, but it's not the 7.5% panic rate from last year, and the proof is in the data. Refinance applications just saw another major jump. People are acting. This 6.27% number is the magic line where homeowners are finally getting comfortable. It's unlocking the market, giving you permission to finally think about that next move. Are you still holding on for 5%? Or is 6% the new good enough to get your life unstuck? Let me know in the comments.